See this one, speed, time and distance. I have discussed about time is equal to distance by speed is equal to distance by time, and distance is equal to speed into time. Please, my dear student, what I am talking? Relative speed. Relative means at least there must be two speed. Relative speed. So what is relative speed? Relative speed, the relative speed of two bodies is the rate at which the distance between them increases or decreases. Either it can increase or decrease. So first, for two bodies moving in the same direction, relative speed is equal to difference of their speed. Second, for two bodies moving in opposite direction, relative speed is equal to sum of their speeds. Means in this one you will subtract and another you will add. Now time taken for one moving train to pass another moving train. To pass another means another moving train. Both train is moving. Sum of the length of the trains divided by relative speed. Now see this one. You are going with air, without air. So here the speed, if the speed of in a still water is x kilometer per hour, and the speed of the stream is by kilometer per hour. So now the speed of the boat downstream means with the current, what is that one? X plus y will increase. Similarly, upstream against the stream, so then the speed of the boat upstream is equal to x minus y kilometer per hour. It is clear? Understood now? My dear student, today now I am going to solve question number first. Exercise 6b. Please listen. Exercise 6b. Two trains is there. Two trains. The length, two trains 115 meter and 135 meter long are running along parallel tracks at the speed of 35 km per hour and 45 km per hour. How long will they take to pass each other if they run in opposite direction? And second, in opposite direction. See this one. Length of first train. Length of first train. First train, what is given? This. That is 150 meter. Length of second train. Second train. That is equal to 235 meter. Okay. A speed of first train. A speed of first train. First train, that is equal to 35 km per hour. A speed of second train, what is given? 45 km per hour. My dear student, first see this one. The length is given in meter and the speed is given in kilometer per hour. So first you change into meter per second. My dear student, what you will do? What you will do? Say 35 into 5 by 18 will do 5 by 18 meter per second. Now, is it visible? I don't think. It is not visible. So now what you will write? 5 into 5, 25. Carry to 5, 175 by 18 meter per second. It is clear? And now 45 kilometer per hour. To change into meter second, 5 by 18 meter. now per second. Change. Now what is 9? You will write 9, and now this is divisible by 9, so 9 18 divided by 9, you will write 2, and then you will divide this one 45 with 9, 5 will come, so it is 5 into 5, 25 by 2 meter per second. It is clear? 35 and this one is. Understood? Now my dear student, what they are asking, first part of this question, in opposite direction, how long time they will take past each other if they run in. So first you find out length, distance is equal to, here distance is equal to length of first train plus length of second train. What you will write? Length of first train 115 meter plus 235 meter is equal to 235 meter. Sorry, this is 135 meter, beta. 135 meter. So what is their distance? 250 meter. Now, my dear student, what I said, when you are going to time taken, first part of this answer is time taken. Time is equal to what is there? Distance. What is there? 25. 250 meter. Now, my dear student, now here a speed of the train. One is difference. So when they are in opposite direction, what you will write? When they are in opposite direction, what you will write? Difference of their speed. Now, my dear student, difference of their speed. So now difference of a speed is equal to what you will write? If 45 kilometer per hour minus 35 kilometer per hour is equal to what you will write? 10 kilometer per hour, right? Now 10 kilometer change into 5 by 18 meter per second. Now 5, 9, 25 by 9 meter per second. Now, so first time is equal to total distance 200 and their difference 5 by 9. 5 by 9. 20. My dear student, sorry for that. First I am going to solve second part of this question, then I will solve first part of this question. Difference of the speed. What you have written, difference of the speed means they are in same direction. 45 km per hour minus 35 km per hour, 10 km per hour. Now it is meter per second. 5 by 18 you multiply, it becomes 25 by 9 meter per second. So time taken, second part of this question, time is equal to length of the train divided by a speed. Now my dear student, what you will write? See this one, what you will write? 250 into 9 by 50, 25. My dear student, it came 90 seconds. What is there? 90 seconds. Please, my dear student, 90 seconds came, but you can change into minute and second, right? So 1 minute is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So right here, 1 minute 30 seconds. Is it clear? Now second, first part length is same, length is not going to change, distance is not going to change. What is going to change? A speed. So what we will do? First part, a speed. A speed is equal to sum of their speed. So 45 kilometer, 45 plus 35 kilometer per hour. Relative speed, sorry. Relative speed is equal to 40. Now what is there? 80 kilometer per hour. Okay. Now my dear student, you will change into meter per second. 80 into 5 by 18 meter per second. Now cut it. It is divisible by 2. 200 by 9 meter per second. So time, what is asking? Time. My dear student, what did you write? First part of this answer? First part of this answer? Time taken. Time taken. Total distance is 250 by 200 by 9. Unit I am not writing. If you want to write, there is no problem. Meter is the meter per second. Now you have studied 250. 9 will go up. And what will come? 200. And the unit of time is equal to what is second? So second is right. Or you can cancel meter with meter. Now this one cut. 1 0 to 1 0. It is divisible by 5. 5 25. If you divide with 5, 5 will come. It will come 4. Now what is there? You will write 45 by 4 seconds. This one is there. You can change into mixed fraction. 11 by 4 seconds. More you can change in decimal fraction. There is no limitation. So you can write it 11 point. What you will write? 25 seconds. Now my dear student, you try to solve more questions. If you have problem, you contact me. Thank you.